17,000 Yaba tablet weight 1.7 kg recovered from a scooty at Delhi, Karbi Anglong. Pakistan government coalitions to boycott Supreme Court proceedings in Punjab CM election case. Rajya Sabha suspends 19 opposition members for willfully obstructing the House. Hi and welcome to the Karbi Daily News. I'm Promila Timungpi with the latest news for this morning. 17,200 Yaba tablet weight 1.7 kg recovered while on raid from a scooty at Delhi, Karbi Anglong on 25 of July 2022. On 25 of July at about 4 p.m. acting on a secret information, a raid was conducted at Longboy Basti, Tinyali under Delhi, PS by John Das, APS, SDPO, Bokajan. He was assisted by OC of Delhi Police Station, SI Lutfur Rahman, Delhi PS staff, C20 CRPF camp of Bokajan and APRG staff. During the raid, 17,200 Yaba tablet recovered weight 1.7 kg from a scooty bearing registration number NL07R6723. The victim, Gihuka Hokie, age 25, son of Hokie of Middle Colony Purana Bajar, Dimapur, Nagaland, was arrested. Trisonekti report with camera Mongwetiron, Karbi Daily News. Pakistan government coalitions on 26 of July announced to boycott Supreme Court in proceeding in Punjab CM elections cases if their full court bench is rejected. Pakistan's coalition government has criticized the Supreme Court's decisions not to form a full bench to hear a key case related to the contentious election of the Punjab Chief Minister and announced that it will boycott the court proceedings. On Monday, the Supreme Court refused to form a full bench to hear a case related to the re-elections of Hamza Shehbaz as the Chief Minister of Punjab province, saying it will have to hear more arguments before taking a decision on the issue. Jamiat Ulema-e-Islam Chief Maulana Fazlur Rahman at a press conference in Islamabad said the government lawyers recommended a full bench, but the court, instead of reflecting and accepted the advice, rejected it. JLF is a coalition's partner in the Pakistan government headed by Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif's Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz. The allies of all parties want to give a clear stance that if full court bench is rejected, then we too reject this decision of the court. We will not appear before this bench for this case and will boycott it, he said. The coalition leaders met at the Prime Minister's house after the Supreme Court's decisions on Monday. Separately, PMLN leader Maryam Nawaz also criticized the decision to reject the petitions for the full bench. When the decisions are not in accordance with the Constitution's law and justice, there is a danger from the full court. Because with the involvement of honest judges, the flaws of a decision come to the fore and people know that the decision is not based on the Constitutions and the law but personal preference, she said. Jameson Teron report for International Karbi Daily News. Rajya Sabha suspends 19 opposition members for willfully obstructing the House on 26 of July 2022. Opposition members protest in the Rajya Sabha during ongoing monsoon session of Parliament in New Delhi on July 25, 2022. The suspended members belong to Trinamool Congress, DMK, TRS, CPI and CPIM. 19 members of Parliament were on Tuesday suspended from attending Rajya Sabha session for the remainder of the week for disrupting the House proceedings and demanding a discussions on price rise and a rollback of the goods and services tax on daily essentials. The suspended MPs are 7 from Trinamool Congress (TMC), 6 from Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam (DMK), 3 from Telangana Rashtra Samiti (TRS), and 2 from Communist Party of India (Marxist), and 1 from Communist Party of India (CPI). Later, the House was adjourned for the day as the chair appealed the suspended MPs to withdraw from the House, but they continued to remain in the well of the House. This is the highest number of single batch suspensions and follows the suspensions of 4 Congress MPs in Lok Sabha on Monday for the rest of the monsoon session. In November last year, 12 MPs from opposition parties were suspended for the entire winter session in Rajya Sabha. Susmita Dev, Mosam Noor, Santa Chetri, Dola Sen, Santanu Sen, Abir Ranjan Biswas, and Nadyomal Haque of the TMC were suspended. TMK's M. Muhammad Abdullah, Kanimochi, NVN Somu, M. Sanmugam, S. Kalyana Sundaram, R. Girirajan, and NR Ilango were all suspended. Bilingaya Yadav, Ravichandra Vadiraju, and Damodar Rao, Divakonda TRS, V. Sivadasan and A. Rahim CPIM, and Sandos Kumar CPI were the other leaders. Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs V. Muralidharan moved a motion to suspend 10 MPs, but when it was adopted by voice vote, Mr. Harivans read out the names of 19 members who have been suspended for the rest of the week. In the morning, the upper house paid tributes to the soldiers killed during the Kargil War. As soon as papers were laid on the table of the House, opposition MPs stormed to the well of the House demanding a rollback of the GST on certain essential goods. Rajya Sabha Chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu, without even taking up the notices before him, adjourned the House till 12 p.m. Deputy Chairman insisted that they will be allowed to ask questions on if the opposition's members go back to their seats. When the House assembled, similar scenes of ruckus continued. Deputy Chairman Harivans adjourned the House for 15 minutes at 12:05 p.m. Jamson Teron for National Report, Karbi Daily News. That's all for today. Keep watching Karbi Daily News.